Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Bosch washing machine stuck on 1 minute. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be having problems with your Bosch washing machine here and you're stuck in the 1 minute mark. Now, how do you exactly fix this? So there are a few things that you could try here. Like for example, you may need to check for any earth leakage. Now in this case, the issue could be related to an earth leakage here in the main drive motor, which can affect the Bosch washing machine. So washer dryers as well as models from Neff and Siemens use an insulation tester to identify any faults in the motor and inspect the PCB or printed circuit board for potential issues. Now, another thing that you need to do here is you may need to clean your filter. Now, sometimes a simple solution like cleaning the filter can resolve the problem. Now, in this case, cleaning the filter can actually fix a lot of issues here, especially like, for example, you haven't cleaned this in a few other washes, like for example, you use this like 5 times and you haven't cleaned the filters, then maybe you need to check this one. Then also, another thing that you need to do is you might want to inspect the drain pump. Now, if the machine isn't draining properly, the cycle might get stuck here. So clean out the pump and drain hoses thoroughly to see if this resolves the issue. And finally, the last thing that you could do here is you might want to reset the machine. Now, one common fix is to reset the machine or washing machine. So in this case, depending on your model, the reset process might be different here. But in this case, you maybe go ahead and try resetting it. Refer to your manual on how exactly to do that. Now, if none of this actually work, it's best to contact Bosch support for this one or even get a professional technician in order for you to get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.